It's a nice day in Kyoto. Finally sunny for once instead of cloudy. Also dropped my glove after doing a workout, so I'm here to get it. But today, I'm going to tell a little quick story of the time I pranked one of my friends. This was in middle school, so a very long time ago. But it was a really dumb prank that definitely hurt my friend's feelings a lot. And somehow we're still really good friends. We call each other, or we talk to each other like once every month or two, and it's because we don't like live that close. And yeah, the prank was, to put it simply, a bunch of us, or four of us, when we were in middle school, me and three other guys, we're all friends. In seventh grade, we, for whatever reason, thought it would be a fun idea to just go around telling our friends that were girls that we liked them. This wasn't planned, this was just spontaneous. I'm pretty confident that I was not the one who instigated it. We had one of our friends who was somewhat the deviant of the group, or the devious one, not deviant. Like, he just liked doing those types of things, and me being an idiot, decided to follow along with it and also volunteer my friend as one of the people that we pranked. So we did the prank, and we basically would use each other's accounts on AIM. This was like so long ago when we were still using AIM. And we just messaged like different friends with different accounts. Like the person whose account it was, we didn't use, like we didn't do it ourselves basically. We had like our friend do it for us. And then we would just like, basically just send a message, oh, I need to tell you something. Like I need to confess, blah, blah, blah. Like I like you, or I have romantic feelings for you. We didn't say it like that. We just said I like you, basically. That was enough. And then we would just see like, oh, what kind of messages we would get back. Most of them were kind of like, oh, like they didn't really respond that reactively, but you know, we as kids were just like laughing about it, and we're like, because like none of it was true. We were just pranking our friends. But I so happened to volunteer my friend, like I said, and she actually believed that my friend liked her because of my message. So I used my friend's account to message her and tell her that I liked her. And that was not good for, especially, you know, a teenage girl, to hear that. And I'm sure some of the other ones were also like kind of wondering like, oh, is it true or not? Is like what's going on? This is kind of out of nowhere. Definitely not a good prank. Very mean spirited, very stupid, but I kind of forgive myself because I was pretty young and dumb. But at the end, like what happened was she believed it next day. She didn't know what to do and stuff. But luckily we kind of told her pretty quickly that it was just a prank. And basically everyone involved, you know, kind of told her that they were involved, me myself included, and she was just kind of like extremely mad at us for a while, rightfully so. But at the end of the day, somehow she forgave me, and we ended up becoming good friends, more so than back then. Yeah, I definitely apologized a lot for that, and I still apologize sometimes for it as well. Yeah, just a random story I thought I'd tell from a long time ago, and the lesson obviously is don't do those sorts of pranks on your friends, on anyone. Like messing with people's emotions is just not a good thing in general. And I only have my age as an excuse. Obviously, these days it's a lot harder to do that. Like, just because you're mature, you're older, you don't think of things like that. And also, like, why do it in the first place? It's not even that funny. But yeah, that's just the quick story. Did a lot of dumb things when I was a kid, so maybe I'll tell a few more stories related to that. I should mention that this was the friend that I made a recent piano original for, titled Childhood Friends. So it adds a little bit more context to the story, I guess. Just like we've been friends for a very long time, and I'm glad that she has forgiven me for doing stupid things. But yeah, if you want to give it a listen, it's on Spotify. Catch you guys in the next one.